My name is Dinesh Raduri and today we will be discussing about Rapid APIs. So to show the COVID-19 statistics to the chatbot, we will be using Rapid APIs and which will be free of cost. So you just need to create your account. Then you have to choose a suitable API for COVID-19 which shows the better statistics of COVID-19 with less latency. Be careful about the latency. You just need to check it should be a very less. Then you have to test it on the Rapid API platform and copy and paste your token. Your token won't be generated until unless you haven't done the sign up. On the later stages, we will be using that particular API or URL on our Flask web application. So let's go to the Rapid API account. This is the Rapid API portal. You just need to choose one free APIs of COVID-19. So here's the free API of COVID-19 with the latency and with the success rate. So you just need to choose which API you want to use, and you just need to choose for the Python code, and then you just need to copy and paste this code. And as it is code, you will be able to use on Flask application. You just need to generate your token or API key, you just need to sign up. So I have already done that. Now we will set up PyCharm Community Edition IDE and Python on our laptop, and we will install Flask library. So you just need to download PyCharm Community Edition. Then you have to download, and I'm assuming that you have already downloaded my code from my GitHub profile. Then you have to import my code to PyCharm and install all the dependencies, and we will try to run it locally. One more thing, before downloading PyCharm, you just need to download Python also, because Python is a base for all, and you just need to download 3.7.7 or 3.6. You can download because it's a more stable versions. So you just need to go on this website and you just need to download 3.7.7. So you need to go to JetBrains website. Here you will be able to find out that there are two PyCharm's editions are there for Windows, Mac and Linux. So you just need to download it for Community Edition. It's free and open source. So it will be a exe file. You just need to install exe file just like another software you do. And for Ubuntu, you just need to run this particular command. So after downloading my code from GitHub profile, you just need to right click on my code, and then you have to open folder as a PyCharm Community Edition. So as soon as you will do that, then you will be able to find out that all the application will be installed on your PyCharm. So you will be able to see that your code is opened on PyCharm as like this. And while building the project inside PyCharm, you will be able to see that it will show you some of the missing libraries option here. So you just need to install those libraries. If it will tell you that you just need to install the interpreter and interpreter not found, something like this. So you just need to go to file, then settings, then you have to search interpreter, Python interpreter, or you can go to add option here and you can set your new environment like this. So you just need to give the python.exe's path. You just need to set your environment. So in the next video, we will be discussing about this Flask and Python code, and we will run it locally on Postman, and we will deploy it to Pivotal Cloud.